boys and girls. Today we are going to read a book called To Town. Let's sing a song first. Let's sing. I will go to town on my bulldozer. I will go to town in my fire engine. I will go to town in my helicopter. All the way I go to town. 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 All the way back home. I will go to town in my vintage car. I will go to town on my motorbike. I will go to town on my jumping stick. All the way I go to town. 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 All the way back home. Good job! Let's learn some new words in the book. This is a bulldozer. 推土機。啲人起屋嘅時候就會用到 bulldozer. 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 Bull, bull. The sound of U is usually but this time the sound of U is oo. Bull, bull. Bull, bull. Do, do. The sound of O here is O. Do, do. Do, do. Z, z. Z, z. Bulldozer. Let's read this word really fast. Bulldozer. Bulldozer. Bulldozer, bulldozer, bulldozer. Fire. Fire. Fire, fire, fire. This is a fire engine. Fire engine. Fire engine. Fire engine, fire engine, fire engine. This is a helicopter. 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 He. He. Li. Li. Cop. 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 T. Helicopter. Let's read it faster. Helicopter. Helicopter. Helicopter, helicopter, helicopter. This is a car, but it's not a new car. It's a vintage car. Vintage car. 老爺車，舊款嘅車。Vintage. Vin. Vin. Teach. Titch. The sound of A here is E. Teach. Titch. Vintage. 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 Car. You've learnt this word before. Car. AR are special friends. Car. car. Let's read the two words together. Vintage car, vintage car. Vintage car, vintage car, vintage car. This is a motorbike. 電單車 Motorbike, motorbike. M-O, mo. M-O, mo. T. O-R. Sometimes we say or, but this time the sound of O-R is T. Bike, bike. E has no sound. E shouts at I, and the sound of I becomes I. Bike, bike. Bike, bike. Motorbike. Motorbike, motorbike. Motorbike, motorbike, motorbike. The rabbit is jumping on a pogo stick. Pogo stick. Pogo stick. Pogo. P-O, po. P-O, po. Go, go. Go, go. Pogo. Pogo. Stick. Steak. Stick. Steak. Stick. Pogo stick. Pogo stick. Pogo stick. Pogo stick. Pogo stick. Key sentence. 我哋睇書之前呢，學下呢一句句子先。I will go to town. I will. 我將會 go to 去邊度呢？ Go to town 去城鎮啊。I will go to town 我會去城鎮。Let's start reading the book. The title of this book is To Town. The author is Joy Cowley, and the illustrator is David Cowe. The story happened in a village, not Hong Kong. This is a village. There is no supermarket, shopping mall, restaurant, or McDonald's in the village. If people in the village want to go to McDonald's, they have to go to town. 故事入邊嘅人住喺村入邊，如果佢哋想去超級市場或者 McDonald's， 佢哋呢就要去城鎮先有啦。Town 城鎮。Look at the picture. Can you see a girl? She is sitting on a bulldozer, a yellow bulldozer. The girl seems very happy. She says, I will go to town on my bulldozer, my big yellow bulldozer. Brr, brr, all the way to town. All the way to town. 一路向城鎮出發。Look, can you see a man? He's a firefighter. He's sitting in a fire engine. The fire engine is big and red. The firefighter says, I will go to town in my fire engine. My big red fire engine. Ooh-wah, ooh-wah. All the way to town. Look at the picture. There is an old man sitting in a car. Oh, that's a very old car. It's a vintage car. The vintage car is green. The old man says, I will go to town in my vintage car. My big green vintage car. Toot-toot-toot, toot-toot-toot, all the way to town. Wow, there is a man. He has a blue helicopter. I want to have a helicopter too. Let's see what he says. I will go to town in my helicopter. My big blue helicopter. Chopper, 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 all the way to town. Boys and girls, can you see an old lady? She's not riding a bicycle. She's riding a motorbike. An orange motorbike. How cool is that? She says, I will go to town on my motorbike. My big orange motorbike. Boom, boom, all the way to town. Look at this boy. He is jumping on a pogo stick. The pogo stick is silver, 銀色. The drivers are so shocked to see him. The boy says, I will go to town on my pogo stick. My super silver pogo stick. Boing, 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 all the way to town. All the way to town, and then 一路向城鎮出發，之後 all the way back home again， 一路沿路返屋企啦。Where is this girl going? 呢個女仔去緊邊呢？ She's going to town. 佢去緊城鎮。What is ooh 啊 ooh 啊？呢個係咩意思呢？ It is the sound of the fire engine. 係消防車嘅聲音嚟㗎。What is the old lady riding? She's riding a motorbike. What color is the pogo stick? It is silver. Silver, 銀色。Hey, little rabbit. Where will you go tomorrow? 你聽日會去邊啊？ I will go to the park. I will go to the supermarket. I will go to town. I will go to the school. I will go to the library. How about you, boys and girls? Where will you go tomorrow? 你聽日又會去邊啊？ Form your own sentence by using I will go to. 你而家試下用 I will go to 嚟做一句句子，話俾人聽你聽日會去邊啦。I hope you like this video. Bye!